So you're going to have to write an annotated bibliography. The great thing about this class is that Dr. Vint tells you step by step how to do this. So no one should be confused or worried about it. It is very simple and straightforward. So this is assignment 3, annotated bibliography, right here on the bottom of the syllabus. And this says, the next step in writing a research paper is to explore what other people have said about the topic. This requires you to find and evaluate at least 3 sources for your final paper. I'll talk about that in a minute. But the 3 sources for your final paper, only one can be a web-only source. You have to find scholarly academic sources that are not just websites. So that means using an online database, which you can do through the school, like JSTOR or Project Muse, or the easiest way is just to go get a book from the library. So say that you are looking up, slavery, just go on the library catalog. So go to library.ucr.edu, type in slavery, see what comes up, and then see what might be useful for you. Go to the library, pull some books out and read what they say, or you can specialize that topic. It's like a Google search. Look for something particular that will help you do your project, and then see if it's useful for you. You may find that it's not, so then you don't check that book out. You go get another one. Note also that if you want to go the book route rather than the JSTOR route, a really easy thing to do is to get a book of essays or a book with chapters and read one chapter. You don't have to read an entire book about the history of slavery. Go to the chapter with a title that seems relevant to what your research project is. Easy. On the flip side, you can do some of this online. You use the databases, so you go to the library website. You click on Research Services and then the tab that says Databases. What you'll have to do if you are off campus when you do this is log in. It'll tell you you need a UCR VPN. So you'll do the VPN thing. You'll use your net ID and password to log in. And then what I recommend, you're on databases. It says A to Z. So type in JSTOR, JSTOR, and click on it. Once you get it, it has a search bar just like any other search engine. You type in your topic, and then you get a list of articles that you might want to read. You can scroll through them and see which ones look useful. Here's the thing. You didn't hear it from me, but read the abstracts. You did hear it from me. This is good research practice. Read the abstract, that's a summary. If the abstract doesn't seem relevant, don't read the article. Scroll until you find an article that does sound relevant. If you open up the article and then you start reading it and it's clearly about something else, don't keep reading it. The whole idea is that you're going to encounter dozens of things and make quick choices about which ones you do and don't want to use. That's fine. You'll pick 3, maybe the 3 most useful, and they, like I said, these articles on JSTOR are sometimes quite short. That's fine too. The idea, though, is that it's a peer-reviewed journal, so it's been read by and checked and fact-checked and researched by multiple people. It will be good information and useful information.